What you got? So guys, it's an unboxing video. Yeah, we got the Blue Yeti. Blue Yeti. Let's get a bit serious now. So we got the Blue Yeti mic. I've been waiting for this. This is #1 microphone in the world.
This is the
legendary Blue legendary Blue broadcasting
and it's
sound.
the Blue Yeti.
Blue Yeti.
What
Look at that. It's called Blue, innit? It's by Logitech.
Alright, let's go. Open this up.
This is the best for streaming, podcasting, and gaming. So let's go. As you can see, we've been greeted by a nice view. What you doing, man? What you doing? What you doing? Okay, so I'm gonna delicately just run that. Look at that slice.
Open it.
Look at that. Put the blade
Open it.
for safety. Oh, it opens up in a weird way.
Oh.
Okay. I'm confused right now. So, as you can see, it opens up with a fancy thing. But as you can see, we have got the wire. This is not a USB Type-C. This is just a normal.
So it's not USB Type-C. It's just a normal. I don't know which one it is. But
I think it's USB.
figure that out.
USB.
Oh, pull out the Yeti.
So this is this is the instruction manual that comes with it.
Instruction manual.
Boom.
Oh, there it is.
We are greeted by the Blue Yeti
Which one
itself. I'm not too sure. I'm struggling to get it out now.
Trying to get it out.
No, this one. There we go. Wow.
Nothing else inside the box. That's it.
Let's just have a little check.
It's fully assembled. Where's the wire for it to connect to the actual
That's the wire
PC?
there. Yeah.
Why is it so small? Oh, it's that big. Okay. Open it.
So, as you can see,
Yeah. So
it does turn
is
around.
the Blue Yeti. There.
There we go. That's it.
That's pretty much all it is. Wow, that's nice. That actually looks very nice. That looks really nice. I like that. So you got your gain. You got some. I don't know what these mean, but yeah, pattern. On the other side there is the actual symbol for Blue Yeti.
That looks
And
sick.
the mute button. Oh, it's actually a mute button. Look.
Yeah. And then the volume. That's for your headphones.
And this wire connects at the bottom. Is that the bottom?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bottom there. And then there's
Oh, that's
another
silver
microphone as well. So when you're podcasting and you're like this.
I like that.
Yeah, let me check this test out. Yeah. You love it. But let me tell you something.
That's the Blue Yeti. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. He's gonna do podcasts. Obviously, I do podcasts. I'm Sash the Motivate you over and out.